Now we're gonna go to copy this thing. Well, I can't take it from here and put it in there. Oh no. But I need my, you need the seasonality. You need the, that's, come here. Now we're gonna use advertising as our X variable and run a regression on it. So data analysis, regression. Now instead of time period, what do I have? Advertisement. Everything else is the same. So now instead of using trend projection, I'm trying to use advertising to predict demand. All right?
So why is demand again? I mean,
Yeah.
why
Always.
is
Always.
Always. Demand is always Y. I'm gonna call this regression with advertising. Okay? So that I know it's my regression with advertisement as my X variable. All right? Everything else, you don't touch anything else. All I did was change my X from time period to advertisement. Okay it? Here we go. Here's the other beauty for you, right here. So, R squared is 65%, significant F is 1.38. So help me with the equation here. Demand is equal to what? 0.908 plus 1.41 almost times advertisement, right?
I shouldn't have got a negative on that. Even if I have different data, my
Yeah, we
intercept.
got a negative too.
Who got a negative?
I mean, I got different data as you, but it should still not be a negative number, right?
What's negative? This?
My
Our
white,
intercept?
the top one.
This?
This,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's possible for this, but
Okay.
the advertising versus the slope should not be negative because we know it's a positive relationship.
Okay.
So, again, you got the equation, you got the output, explain the output, what's R squared, it's a good model, yes or no, what's the equation, you have the residual, find math, find MSE, so, there you go. That's all I ask you to do. Then do the same thing with diff. Same thing you did with diff. Diff as your X variable. Then part 12, we're gonna use time period, AIP, diff and advertisement as independent variable. Now I'm gonna get into multiple regression using 4 variables to predict demand. Well, how do I do that? Go back to Excel, to the seasonality part. Now, if I run a regression, data analysis regression, now your Y, is that your X? What did I say use? Time period, what else?
Diff,
Diff,
yeah.
what else?
Advertisement,
And what?
advertisement.
3 of them or what?
No, you said AIP,
AIP.
DIF, and ADD.
AIP,
There's
diff.
3.
Diff and ADD.
Okay, let's just use these 3, just to show you how it's done. 3 of them right here, and then I'm gonna call it like a step 12. Is that step 12?
Yeah.
which one is it?
Larger demand again.
Here you go, that's your model. Let me write the equation for you. Demand is equal to negative 8.9 plus 2.73 times average industry price minus 2.08 times diff plus 1.32. These are not the correct answers, okay? Times advertised. That should be close. Alright? So that's my multiple regression model.
You select
For
period
all
or
the way for which
Yeah.
one's
I
right
didn't.
you didn't,
and
okay.
which one-
But
and then what
in the
else?
problem, and these have to be right by each other for you to be able to do it. So I need period AIP different advertised.
Science.
Period
No,
AIP diff
Period AIP.
and advertising, right? Let me run that. Maybe we can hide the column and run it. Let's see if we can do that. So I don't need period AIP different advertising. I don't need the price, right?
No.
Let's see if I hide it, it works or not.
Variable
It may
regression.
work.
Yeah.
So let's do data analysis, regression. In here, I'm gonna put it worked, a different name. Alright, so this is a regression with time period, price, AIP, different advertisement. Okay? But actually it used the price too. That's why you get that. So you may want to copy those columns somewhere else and do it. If you get something like this, that's not good. You don't want that. To avoid that, go to your just high. Just take this, just copy these, don't copy the price. Some other page, and then run it.
Oh, okay.
Can you go to the one you just ran
Don't
right
copy
now?
price?
Don't copy price and then,
Just copy it somewhere else, okay? Because you see, if you got something like this, it's because the price, AIP and diff are related. That's why you get that.
Well.
But we don't even want the price in there.
Y is supposed to be demand, and at the input X range is supposed to be those four, right? It's okay if we can hit control and copy those individually, it wouldn't.
You
necessarily-
can?
Okay, but it's, ours is saying something different, it's like, input range must be contiguous.
Contiguous. That's
If you
why,
hide it, it works.
Huh?
if you,
Hide
it doesn't work.
Well,
Hiding doesn't work.
It worked out on it.
Work on yours?
you gotta hide what?
I hide it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we put it in,
Okay, so
For
we
what?
hide,
and then we copied the four
So
for
let's
X. and it's
How you
giving us
hide
an
it?
error.
Right click.
right
right
here.
click, hide.
And we still using
So let me do it again. Data analysis, regression.
He gets all
delete all of it?
So the best thing is to just copy them,
Yeah.
put it some other cell, make it contiguous right by each other, and then run it.
Okay.
Alright, next.
What step was that about? That's step 12, right?
That was 12. So, rank the values based on the degree of contribution to the model. Let me explain what I mean by that. So, if you get this, which value is the most important variable in the model? That's based on the p-value, okay? The lower the p-value, the better is the contribution of that value to the model. So here advertisement, my time period is the best, look at that. So the lower the p-value, the higher the contribution of the variable to the model. So then I ask you to do with period, diff and advertisement only. Alright? So this is it. Now this is gonna be your important regression. Period. Diff and advertisement, all right? Get that model. Then, now we want to make a forecast for October, November, December. So you write your equation based on period, diff and advertisement. Then October is 34, right? November 35, December 36. That's your input. Also you need diff. Well, what is diff? Diff is AIP minus price. So you need to find the difference of these two to get your diff for every month. You have the advertisement, so you have your equation, multiple regression equation, okay? And then you plug in 34, 35, 36. You plug in the difference between these two is going to be your diff and your advertisement. So for example, your model is going to look like demand equal, let's say 4.3 plus, I'm just making up numbers, okay, 0.25 times period, okay, plus 1.45 times diff, plus 2.6 times advertisement, right? So you're going to get an equation based on your multiple regression output. Now you're going to plug in. So for October, what is my period? You're doing that. So this is just